I've been working within the field of functional medicine now for about 13 years. I learned pretty early on that I really wasn't getting what I needed from the existing medical system and started to seek out alternative knowledge that I could apply to my patients. And so I've been on this journey for a long time. So functional medicine, I think, is misunderstood in many ways. And some of the myths around functional medicine you hear commonly is that it's not science-based. And I want to make sure that people understand that we are looking at the exact same data that allopathic physicians in this country are looking at. We might be a bit more critical about the data, not necessarily trusting a pharmaceutical company's surrogate endpoints, but looking at the results and the available data to ferret out information that may help our patients. But we are examining very, very closely the same data that other physicians are looking at as well, but I think in a more critical fashion. We also tend to look at the broader picture of patients and look at them not as an organ system or as a disease, but to integrate them within their environment. And that is a major tenet of functional medicine, is to allow people to live in harmony with their lifestyle and their environment by really getting to know your patients in that way. It's often, thought that functional medicine is really expensive. But if we go back to the concept that really we're trying to find a way for people to live with their genetics, with their limitations, and with harmony in the environment around them, knowing your patient and integrating that is not an expensive thing. It's just about understanding what's happening and giving patients the direction that they need to live a healthful life within their environment. The other thing that you hear commonly about functional medicine is it's only for chronic disease. And I think it does a better job in chronic disease than a lot of the Western medicine does. But the real value in functional medicine, I think, is in preventative medicine and showing people a lifestyle that they can live so that they feel good and it will give them the longevity that they're looking for. So this is something I think is very important that people understand, that we are truly scientists, and we are not only scientists, but in many ways detectives, and looking at these clues to put these together in not a cookie cutter fashion, in a book that says diagnosis, treatment. That is not what functional medicine does. We have the ability to delve deeper into the science and look with a more critical eye at the data that's available.